Right, okay, interest and compound interest. Right, can use a calculator on all of these. We get 7% interest on £100. Right, so I'm going to try and teach you a different way to do this, because otherwise it will take too long. So normally what we would do is 7% times the 100, which equals 7, and then do 100 plus 7 equals 107. Right, now this is 100% and this is 7%. So altogether we need to find out what 107% is. There's 107%, yeah? So if we take our number there and we change the 107% into a decimal, 1.07. Yeah? Now watch this. Times 1.07. So take your 100 times 1.07 and equals 107. So we're going to do the 15,000 times 1.01. 15,000 times 1.01 is 15150. See how you get the answer a lot quicker. Add 40, so 50 add 4 times 1.04. So 50 times 1.04 is 52. 350 times 1.18. 350 times 1.18 is 413. 31 times 1.03. 31 times 1.03 is 3193. 116 times 1.49. 116 times 1.49 equals 172.84. 172.84. Much quicker, yeah? We're still adding it on, yeah? So 2550 times 1.02. 25.50 times 1.02 is £26. £26 and a penny. So 16384 times 1.28 equals 16384 times 1.28 equals 20971.52. 65 times 112. Right, so 112 times, I need 100 and plus that is 2.12. So 65 times 2.12 is £137.80. And 998.50 times 1.06. 998 pounds 50 times 1.06 is 105,841. Alright, I guess the next ones are going to be taken away. Well, no. Alice is looking at savings accounts offered by different banks. These banks all have a maximum amount that can be placed into them when Alice intends to do all cases. How much interest will Alice earn in account A? What will her total balance be after the interest? So we want 5% of £1,000. So 5% times 1,000. So 5 divided by 100. £50. What will the total balance be after the interest? Well, 1,000 plus the 50 equals 1,050. How much will she earn in account B? 2%. 2% of £4,000. So 2 divided by 100 times 4,000 is 80. And we've got 4,000 plus 80, which equals 4,080. How much would you get in account C? 10%. 10% of 750 is 75. So 750 plus 75 equals 825. And in account D, 1% of £10,000. 10% is 1,000, it's £100. 100. So we've got 10,000 plus 100 equals £10,100. In each of the following, determine the total amount of money after interest has been added for A, B, C, D. Which one is the highest total? So here we go. So 10,000 times 1.01. Do it that way. 10,000 times 1.01 equals 10100. This one, 9900 times 1.02. 9900 times 1.02 equals 10098. And 9810 times 1.03. 9810 times 1.03 is 10104 and 30 pence. Which is the highest total amount? 101C. Oh, look how much they're making us do. So 15,000 times 1.12. So 15,000 times 1.12 is 16800. Just doing exactly the same as the top. I'm not writing it down, yeah? So 18,000 times 1.1 is 19,800, and 13,000 times 1.15 is 14950. 14950. So the one with the most money in is B. This one. 100 times 1.06 is 106. 130 times 1.04 is 13520, and 115 times 1.05 is 120.75. One with the most money, B. So 199 times 1.24 is 24676. 249 times 1.24 is 30876, and 149 times 1.34 is 19966, and B is the most there. So £10.40 times 1.25 is 13. 10 times 1.24 is £12.40, and 11 times 1.23 is 13.53. So the one with the most money is C. make it bigger so you can see what's going on. Right. Alice, Bob and Chloe have these amounts of money in a bank account. An interest rate. Da-da-da-da-da. How much does Alice earn? Well, Alice earns 1% of that, which is £150. So 15,000 plus the 150, because that's 1%. 1% times 1,500. That sort of thing. Equals 150, yeah. So this is equal to 15150. What does Bob earn? Bob earns 3%. So 3%. So let's do 9,000 times 1.03. Do it that way. So 9 times 1.03. So he's got a total of 9270. And Chloe is 10,000. Wow, she's loaded. Loaded is Chloe times 1.02. 10 times 1.02 is 102, 10200. Who earns the most interest? Who has the most money at the end? Right, the most interest is that's 150. That's 3 nines is 270, and 10% or 1% is 100. That's 200. So Bob, most interest. Who's the most money at the end? Alice. Alice, most money. Alice has the most money. Each of these amounts are deposited into a savings account with 2% interest per year for 3 years. Find the balance in the savings account at the end of the 3 years. Okay, let's do it this way. 1,000 times 2%. 1.02 for 3 years cubed. Right? So 1,000 times 1.02 cubed equals 1061.21. 100 times 1.02 cubed. 100 times 1.02 cubed is 106.12. 250 times 1.02 cubed. 250 times 1.02 cubed is 265.30. 3,400 times 1.02 cubed. 3,400 times 1.02 cubed is 3608.11. 144 times 1.02 cubed. 144 times 1.02 cubed is 152.81. The interest on Alice, Bob and Chloe's savings are yearly, and all of them keep their money in for 3 years at the same rates. Alice, how much does Alice earn, and what's her total balance after the interest? How much does she earn? Well, we just take her total balance away, yeah? So the balance is going to be 15,000 times 1.01 cubed for those 3 years. So 15,000 times 1.01 cubed is 15454.52, and how much does she earn is this number take away that number. So she earns EARN that anyway 454.52. And Bob's got 9,000 times 1.03 cubed. So 9,000 times 1.03 cubed, which is 9,834.54, and he earns difference between these two numbers 834.54. And Chloe is got £10,000 times 1.021 cubed times 1.021 cubed, and that is 10643.32, and the difference between those numbers earn 643.32. Who earns the most interest? Bob. Most interest. And who's got the most money at the end? Alice. Of course, Bob earns the most interest because he's 3%, isn't he? Yeah. Oh, right. Okay. Got another one. Each of the following determine how much money A, B, C produce and state which one produces the best. So, 1% interest on 10,000 for 2 years. So this is 10,000 times 1.01 squared. This one is 9,800 times 1.08 squared. And this one is 9640 times 1.05 cubed. See, the little number there is the number of years, and the first number is the percentage. So let's work those on out. 10,000 times 1.01 squared is 10201, 10201. And this one is 9800 times 1.08 squared again, which is 11430.72. And this one is 9640 times 1.05 cubed, which is 11159.51. So, who produces the most? Which one produces the most? This one, B. And the same thing for this. So 110,000 times 1.19 squared. This one's 130,000 times 1.18 cubed. And this one's 199,000 times 1.1 cubed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1.19 squared equals 155,771. Next one, 130,000 times 1.18 cubed is 213,594.16, And this one, 199000 times 1.1 cubed equals 264869. Who's got the most? This one, C. This one, £10 times 1.06 for 3 years. This one, £13 times 1.04 for 2 years. And this one, £11.50 times 1.05% for 3 years. Okay, 10 times 1.06, okay, 10 times 1.06 cubed is £11.91, and 13 times 1.04 squared is £14.06, and £11.50 times 1.05 cubed is 13.31. So the most there is B. Whoa. Courtney, household budget looks like this: rent, water, energy, phone, internet, food, clothes, entertainment, miscellaneous, savings. Find a total budget for the year. Oh, so times that by 12, times that by 12, times that by 12, times that by 12, times that by 52, times that by 12, times that by 52, and times that by 52, and times that by 12. Okay, total budget 875. 875 times 12 is 10500, then 220, then this one, 45 times 12 is 540. Next one's the phone, 30 times 12 is 360. The next one's the internet, 28 times 12 is 336. The next one's the food, 24 times 52 is 1248. Clothes, 20 times 12, 240. Entertainment, 15 times 52 is 780. Miscellaneous, that's 520. Savings, 100 times 12 is 1200. Now I've got to add all that lot up. Okay, so 10500 plus 220 plus 540 plus 360 plus 336 plus 1248 plus 240 plus 780 plus 520 plus 1200 equals 15,944. If her take-home pay is £18,000 a year, is she earning enough money? Yes. If she contributed 3 of her take-home pay to a pension scheme, how much money would she be left with per year? So let's find out what 3% times £18,000 is. So 3 divided by 100 times 18,000 is 540. So that we can add that onto the budget. Yeah. So now she's got to pay 15944 plus 540, which is 16486, 16484, sorry. And she's £18. How much is she going to be left with? 18,000 minus 16,484 is 1,516. Right, if a take-home pay is now 25 grand a year after tax and pension scheme, how much extra money does she have per month? So we need to do £25,000, take away how much she is 164, all her budgets and stuff, yeah? And that equals £25,000, take away 16484, which means 8516. That's per year. Per month, right? So 8514 divided by 12, which means it's got £709.60 per month. And before, she had 1516 divided by 12. 1516 divided by 12, which is £126, £126.30 per month she had left over. So how much extra is the difference between these two? So 709.60 minus 126.30 is an extra £583.30 extra. Almost there, the last one. Andy earns all that much, Belle earns that much, Carl earns that much. In the UK, income tax is not paid on salaries below that much. Which person pays no income tax? Carl. Earnings between that and 50,000 are taxed at 20%. No tax is paid on that. How much does Andy pay? Andy. So what we're going to do is do 28,000, take away 12,570, because that's how much he can earn without paying tax. So 28,000, take away 12,570, which is 15,430, and that is taxable. So we need to find out what 20% of that is. Times 20 divided by 100. So £3,086 tax. Now, earnings above that, how much tax does Belle pay? Oh, right. Oh. So 55,000 minus this number, 55,000 minus 50,271, which is 4,729. So that's how much she has to pay at 40%. So this is the amount of 40% tax. Now, we're going to take this number, 50271, and take away the no tax, the 12570. 50,271 minus 12570 is 37701, and this is at the 20% tax. So altogether we're going to pay 40% of 4729 and 20% of 37701. So 40 divided by 100 times 4729, which is 189160, and 20% of 37701 is 754020. So if we add those two numbers together, that's how much tax will be paid. £80, 1, 3, 4, £9,000 tax. Excellent, £9,000 tax. I think that's right. So there you go. So what was that all? It was also to do with the interest rates, another quite long one. So thanks for watching.